machines category, the keywords are very much smart and autonomous. We have 2 robotic cleaning machines and a smart digital vacuum cleaner. So that's very much a key focus for this aspect of the industry. So what we've seen this year is the concept of cobotics, where human beings are working alongside a robotic machine. Now that's a real step change in the industry and will require quite a big behavioural change for the cleaning operatives. It remains to be seen, however, how much the industry will adapt these new solutions. There is still a lot of scepticism about their impact, and of course the cost right now is still a key consideration for most users.
So the AeroPro is the first commercial dry vacuum cleaner which is taking on the topic 4.0 by collecting important device data such as cleaning times or location, and then transferring it into a cloud-based fleet management system where you can see all the information in one point. The AeroPro is unique and extraordinary because for the first time in small machines, fleet management is possible, and this gives a great benefit to the cleaning contractor. Additionally, you can also store a mobile phone on the machine and charge it while the machine is in use.
Behind me is our first product, the Leo Bots. It's a family of 4 different robots that includes the Leo Scrub, the Leo Mop, the Leo Vac, and the Leo Pool, which pulls the trash. So all these robots have something in common. They are all operated by an app. The robots, you could summon it to move, you could ask it to clean, you could set the schedule, and you could get the robots to talk to the public. A lot of smarts are built into this robot. It can differentiate between humans and objects. It can do very close obstacle avoidances, and it is designed to run in daytime cleaning. Furthermore, we also have a massive cloud that you could allow thousands of robots to be operated. Hence, each company can centralize the management of the robots, whereby you could see reports, you could see who are the users, and also you could see all the data of the robots. So the robots that we design are different. The robots will bring a smile to people and what we call robots people love.
What's unique about Whiz is that we're combining AI with robotics and the expertise in the cleaning industry. As a result of that, we're providing a much higher degree of cleanliness in the environment, while we are helping to reduce sickness, improved well-being. As a result, cleaners are much more happy, retention rates will increase, and hence why we see a real change in the industry. So in summary, using self-learning technologies, we are providing a much higher standard of service. We also leveraging industry-leading indoor navigation software that's 12 to 18 months ahead of any other competitor. We all do this on a subscription model.